and unscrewing the top next to the windshield, yeah?
Yeah, it's basically this one.
And that one. Whoa! See, I did not know that.
Yeah. So you don't have to do these ones because it's not tied to nothing, see?
Yeah.
This one was actually tied to this, which is holds that up here.
Yeah.
So that's why you loosen these two.
So if they come off.
Yeah, take those ones off. Same over here, you take these two off. That one. You can take this piece off.
The whole piece comes off. Wow. Dude, you are the god of motorcycle thunder. Now you know how to take off that freaking turn signal mirror thingy. So that's what freaking Jack was saying. Damn, dude. It's really easy to take off the piece. Well, how do I know that? That's cool. That's loose, yeah. And the next one comes off.
Take out these two.
Take those two off. Oh, so those are the only four that holds on to the front.
So you could take this off too, but once you pull this off, it'll slide off.
Slide off.
Take these two.
Oh, wow. So there's no need to take those off.
It'll slide off all with this one piece.
Wow. This is an awesome lesson, man. Because the ones I see how you did it, just like how you showed me how to do the air filter, or when you opened it. Yeah, I've replaced it by myself. Yeah. Too bad I didn't record that though. Oh, piece comes up. Take that right off. Are you guys getting that? You better. That's Darren, the man of how to do it right. I'm just the camcorder guy. Right now we're working on the right side. The left side is done already. Well, not done, just off. Wow, that is so cool. 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's actually turning in here.
Oh, the whole thing's spinning? Oh no.
So they obviously did this before. Somebody did
Right stem. Oh wow, man. It's just spinning off. Oh wow.
See how this came out like this? Yeah. That other one didn't. It's stuck in there. Somebody did not
do it properly. So it's a good thing I'm replacing both. Amen. Thank you, D. So that's off. Do we need to loosen up the bottom?
Remember they clip in right here?
You just unclip it. Don't need to loosen up with the screws or anything?
Oh, they're already on loose.
Oh, okay.
Actually, you know what? Got a screwdriver.
Screwdriver. Oh,
Flat.
Flat one. Time out. Now this covering, we need to take the top off too. So that means those screws there that holds up the front, they need to come off too? No. Those? No. Because I would be so lost doing that. I'd be like, YouTube ain't got nothing to show. At least this will be the first one. How to. Oh yeah. See, that's what he was talking about. Take the freaking shield off too. Wow.
The problem is there's two sitting. That one right there, which is busted.
That one's busted.
Yeah, that's busted. This one is probably holding it right there.
Oh wow. And you gotta go inside it. Do we need to undo these screws here then to get to it? Those big screws, the Phillips screws? Oh, was that loose? Wow. So really had to take the whole windshield off to get to that. That's the only way how to do it. Like some sort of a snap-on.
Yeah, it just pops in there.
Oh, I see.
And here goes the clips for those.
Whoa!
So technically, this is easy. Technically.
Yeah. Oh wow.
You can
So it's just right on top.
Get to the clip right here.
Unsnip.
Snap it. Pull it. Pull it out.
Wow!
So you're actually.
Darren.
It is
Darren.
shield.
What's your name? What's your name?
Darren.
It's a dare. That's the big kahuna. That's the big kahuna. Yeah, bro.
But if you look at it, you see where this is broke, so you might have to get another one. This is actually for your headlight assembly.
Oh, really? So this
Your headlight assembly is broke.
this one right here?
Yeah.
The whole thing? Oh, the whole piece, huh?
It's not broke over there, so you can get away with it. It's not broke, but it is broke right
Broke on the right side.
here. Yeah.
So I need to get me another headlight,
Yeah.
right? That's cool. We can do that. Alright, cool.
But all the rest of that stuff. So basically, what it goes to, you need to take out this one,
That one,
this one,
that one.
this one, this one, this one, this one.
And the screw.
4 millimeter.
4 millimeter
4 millimeter. It sits
on top.
right here.
Yep.
Pull that out.
Pull
Pop
that
this
out.
out. There's these two plugs going to
This
here.
plug goes there.
And then here's your wires for your turn signals.
And the wire comes out right there. Awesome! Dude, that is the best ever freaking YouTube. Freaking how to do your mirror off the damn thing. Awesome. Just like that. Look at that. You're awesome. Damn, this is good. We're gonna get done earlier and you start drinking more. Alright.
This out. So this is,
Oh, it's stuck in there?
yeah, got a wire so I can hold this thing.
Oh, vice grip. Okay, time out. Let me hold on this real quick.